Putting on some new rubber today. They $240 for that Dunlop. Rush-Alt Cycles cut me a break. Typically I do this stuff myself, but the big issue was I don't have an air compressor to beat up the tire. I actually put Ride-On in it, which I absolutely love Ride-On. Makes your tires last a really long time. Seals and balances it, and they barely ever lose air. You know, I check once a week. So this is pretty much going to be the shop this winter. This is where Rado's Iron Horse is going to start. Now, we're going to be doing a build here, but we're also going to be doing things like some leather work and engraving. That's going to be my primary business until I get a permanent place I can set up and do one of these, like a build. So we're going to be doing everything this winter. I got some stuff planned out for it already. Just collecting parts at the moment. The riding season's not done yet. Also, during next spring, I'm probably going to actually build an engine. And we're going to start it in the spring because my stock twin cam, I want to actually put some cams in it, because on the trip I realized that some of the bikes were literally walking away from me a little more. That being said, the second video is ready to go. You'll get that next week. This one's going to get uploaded today. And I'm going to have to do some narrations on the other ones because the mount on my rear rock fell off. Luckily I was in Duluth and that happened. I was in the parking lot at the the Maritime Museum. So the GoPro went on the handlebars, which wasn't too bad. But you'll be getting some narrations and thoughts I was having while going up there. I really did enjoy the ride. But after, you'll be getting a lot of those videos, and the majority of these videos are going to be a 1500 mile review on the rear rock helmet, as well as you're going to see this get set up. So now I have to get something I promised out of the way first, and then we'll be getting toolboxes and a bike lift and stuff like that. So this unit's big enough for 60 bucks a month. I have another one I have to pretty much close down. It's this little, just enough to fit the bike in and some other stuff. But alright, well, I'm gonna get my back tire on, get back home, or maybe go out to the car wash because this thing is filthy. It's kind of filthy when I left, but somebody threw something out the window and it basically coated my pants. There's some down on the frame too, and I'm not sure what it is. All I know is it smelled rank when I was done. I had about 6 cars that I had to pass on the right. I unfortunately didn't have that choice to go on the left. They would pretty much come into the lane, cut you off, and they wouldn't care. That is just one of the dangers of motorcycling. But anyways, like I said, I'm going to get my tire on. I'm going to grab my stuff and basically just get to work today, I guess. You know, it's day off. Might as well, right? Go clean this pig. Maybe I'll film that. Alright, catch you guys later.